everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Kinky U-part wig, Kinky straight, U-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair. Now, let me just let you guys know, this is a lot of hair and I wanted to straighten it for some reason. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I blow dried this hair to start off, and then I flat ironed it, and it was still super full. So if you are looking for a full look, this is the wig for you. Again, the hair is kinky straight, so it looks perfect, blends in nicely with your hair. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in this wig, I do have all of the links in the description box below, as well as a coupon code, so definitely check that out if you want to purchase this unit or just check out Beauty Forever Hair. So yeah, you're gonna see me here blow drying the hair on my head, and then I did take it off to blow dry it because it was just a little bit easier doing it that way. This wig, the clips in it, they're not the clamp ones, they're just like the clips that you just like slide into your hair. So it's not, I wouldn't suggest blow drying it on your hair because you'll definitely pull your own hair. So yeah, I did straighten this hair off of my head as well. But the look is amazing. If you're looking for that, you know, super full, super big style, then this wig is definitely the one. It is also big head friendly. I had a lot of room in the back, but there are adjustable straps back there, so of course I was able to make it fit better as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, definitely leave them down below and I'll respond back to you guys. But again, thank you so much for watching.